Airline passengers this summer will face a host of new policies and procedures, and possibly a few packed flights, because of the coronavirus pandemic. Memorial Day kicks off what is normally the busiest season for airlines, when airports are bustling and flights are often sold out. An uptick is occurring again this year, but the impact of the virus continues to keep demand far from usual levels. The Transportation Security Administration said 348,673 people passed through security checkpoints at U.S. airports on Friday. That's the highest in just over 2 months and more than 3 times the number of people from a month ago, but down 88% compared with the same day last year. Airlines have scrambled to adapt to the new environment. The plunge in demand sapped them of revenue. Losing money for the first time in years, airlines have idled thousands of planes and slashed flights, in some destinations by around 90% of the norm, in a bid to reduce their cash burn. That means more connecting flights for many travelers used to the convenience of non-stops. They have also implemented a number of new measures aimed at reducing contact between travelers, crews and other airport workers, an effort to ease concerns about the spread of COVID-19 during travel. Even aircraft manufacturer Boeing earlier this month announced a Confident Travel initiative to weigh new technology like ultraviolet light disinfecting systems that can help reduce the transmission of pathogens on board. The TSA last week issued new guidelines for passenger screenings this spring and summer to limit contact between its officers and travelers. For example, travelers will scan their own paper or electronic boarding passes instead of handing them to a TSA officer. TSA also asks travelers to put food they're bringing along into a clear plastic bag and remove that from their carry-on bags, so officers don't have to remove it from a passenger's bag if it sets off an alarm in the X-ray scanner. Phones, keys and wallets should go right into carry-on bags to reduce touch points during the screening process. TSA officers are required to wear face masks on the job, and the agency encourages travelers to do the same. Airlines are also making some changes before travelers reach their seats to try to protect travelers and crews. United Airlines has started using sneeze guards at check-in counters and other customer service areas. It has started rolling out touchless kiosks to print bag tags using a smartphone at some airports and expects to put more of them at airports around the U.S. in the coming weeks. One of the biggest challenges of the COVID-19 crisis for air travel is that the authority over traveler health screenings isn't clear. Frontier Airlines says it plans to start taking travelers' temperatures starting June 1st, but most airlines have said it is the responsibility of the government to perform health screenings.